So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. I'm going to show you two ways how to get here. So for the first way, this is if you can sign into Windows. If you can't sign into Windows like me, I'm on Windows right now, then you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. Now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. It will then take you into that screen. And now for the second way, if you cannot sign into Windows, then you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, then it will take you into this screen. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it off and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, then it will take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on advanced options. And now once we're here, I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods that you can try to fix your problem. So for the first method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then system restore. If you do not see system restore, then you want to click on SEMA recovery options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on system restore. And then once you're on this, if you have a restore point that's already been created, you want to click on next, then you want to go back to your restore point. That should fix your problem. If you don't have a restore point, that's fine. You want to click on cancel. And now for the next method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then start to repair. It's now going to diagnose your PC, see if this works for you. If that did not work, that's fine. For the next method, you want to click on advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options again, and then command prompt. And then once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec.exe space / fix mbr. Click on enter. And now you want to type in bootrec.exe space / fix boot. Click on enter again. If it says access is denied, just ignore it. Now you want to type in bootsect / nt60 space sys. Click on enter. And now you want to type in bootrec.exe space / fix boot. Click on enter again. And now for the last command, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Just wait for this to load. And then once that loads up, you want to type in exit. Now you want to just continue to Windows, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. And then click on restart. And then once you're on this, we want to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. Click on 4 or F4. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you just want to simply restart your computer. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to click on troubleshoot and then reset this PC. If you have your files backed up, then you can go remove everything. If you don't, you can go keep my files. It's up to you what you want to go with though. So just reset your computer and then hopefully that will fix your problem.